Hey friends! Before posting any video on this channel, I always make sure that it will genuinely help you in one way or another. Today, I'm excited to share 4 websites that can help you earn real cash. Let's dive in and see how you can start making money on these trusted websites. Our first website is Userlytics. To start making money on this platform, visit their website and click on the Get Paid to Test tab at the top. Here, you'll need to enter your details like your name and email. You'll be assigned tasks to test various products such as applications or websites based on your interests. Submit your opinions on how you feel about these products, and you'll get paid. Payments are sent directly to your PayPal or bank account. Many people are making a decent amount of money just by testing applications and providing feedback. It's a simple task that can earn you real cash. Next up is UserTesting, one of the most trusted platforms where you can earn up to $500 by performing simple tasks. After joining UserTesting, you'll be given tasks like navigating a website and recording your feedback. For example, you might be asked to explore Amazon and share your thoughts on the user experience. UserTesting pays up to $120 per task, and you can also get paid for participating in interviews about products you've tested. This is a highly recommended platform for earning money by sharing your opinions on various products. The third website is UserBrain. If you're using an Android or iPhone, this platform is for you. You can earn up to $100 by performing simple tasks. UserBrain pays you to test mobile applications to ensure they function correctly, and you can also test websites and games to enhance user experience. To get started, visit userbrain.com and sign up, which takes just 2 to 3 minutes. You'll receive invitation emails for different tests, and you can earn up to $10 per test, with payments sent to your bank or PayPal account. This is a great platform for easy money by participating in various tests. Lastly, we have American Consumer Opinion. This platform pays you to test new products and share your opinions. It's highly trusted, having paid out over $35 million to its members. By joining, you can test new products and provide feedback, earning a reasonable amount of money. Many users report making up to $200 just by sharing their opinions. Visit their website, sign up, and start earning by testing products and sharing your thoughts. I've mentioned 6 websites where you can earn real cash by sharing your opinions on products. Before joining any of these platforms, I recommend reading reviews on Reddit and Google to see what others are saying. It's important to make informed decisions based on other users' experiences. These websites are trusted and available in many countries worldwide, so check if they are available in your country and start making money by providing your opinions. Thank you so much for watching my video. My name is Weenboy, and I really appreciate your support. See you next time. And I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.